I'm canceling the free trial today. It's a big decision, but it's an important one that I have to make. Can I have a filter coffee? Batch brew?
Batch brew?
Yeah.
Okay. You want to drink it here?
Here, please. Yeah. Shop today. I was at home the entire week. I just want to have a little change of scenery so I don't go crazy. And this coffee shop is really cool. It's in the hotel lobby. On the other side there's a little shop, a little barber, and a co-working space. It's quite cozy and it has everything you need to stay all day. Perfect for a cold, freezing day like this. It's official now, the free trial is gone. It's a very radical change. I think it's great to have free trial. People can come to oona and start experiencing why oona stand out, how oona offers a different way of looking at A/B testing. But at this stage of the startup, I really have to validate whether the business model can work. I need to start peeling the onion. I need to know what is the friction from marketing, generating leads, to the onboarding process and all the way to the conversion. I need to know why people choose to subscribe to oona and the reason why they didn't pay for the service. There are many reasons why a user didn't convert to a paying customer. It could be the gap between the expectations, or didn't do a good job in describing oona. In order to understand what's going on, I need to start validating one by one, test things out to see what works and what not. It's a business development problem. I'm very good at building products, but business development is very new to me. There's going to be a learning curve, but I'm very excited. I think it's going to be fun. I can feel the excitement just to think about the time I finally figure it out. If you have any suggestions or stories about how you figure out the pricing model or distribution channels, or just your story, how you get your first customer, leave it in the comment. In order to remove the free trial from the code, I had to make a pretty big change in the onboarding process. Let me show you. So now you can sign up with your YouTube channel. We'll ask you for the necessary permissions. As soon as you sign up, we'll ask you to verify your email. And you have to go to your email to get the verification code and just type it in. And you will see the checkout session right away. And from this point on, all you need to do is complete the checkout process. Now this is in test mode. Just subscribe. Voila, and you're all set. This is my test environment, so you can already see some of the tests that I ran. If you're new, you'll only see these buttons. to create different types of tests, and then you can start creating a test. It's a very straightforward onboarding process. I want very simple, easy to use user interface. You don't need to think about how to use the tool. Everything is very intuitive. That's always been my design principle. If you're interested, try it out yourself. Besides developing oona on the product side, I also do a lot of co-outreach. I spend a lot of time finding contacts. One important lesson I learned is that don't try to automate co-outreach process at the beginning. And that's what I did because I thought that's what everybody does. You just automate the process from collecting the email to sending out emails. The response rate was almost sad. And what I noticed is that the emails I send out, a lot of the creators are not within my target audience. I didn't know who are my target audience at the time, but as the time goes on, I started to figure out where is my market and what type of creators are more willing to be my first customers. So I use that as my guiding light to search for creators now. Now I have a better understanding of my target audience. The response rate is much better now. I'm working on refining my sales pitch and the process to close a deal. Just want to show you a little bit how I organize all the contacts that I have. Typically I do cold email or DM on Instagram or LinkedIn, and I have a few milestones defined in blue and green. I also defined how many times I want to do follow-ups. This way I don't lose track of progress. If there's one thing I learned about being an entrepreneur is that don't be afraid of learning. Everything is a learning opportunity. The things that I thought I knew or the things that I have no clue, I try to keep an open mind and to explore new angles of looking at things, doing things. And I think that serves me very well. I said that now, but in the past, to be honest, everything is scary. Fear of things not working out, fear of not being able to figure things out. But over time, I learned to not dwell on things. I started to discover my way of handling problems. If you want to hear more about how to deal with problems and adversities, what works for me, let me know in the comment. I can talk about that in another video. Once in a while, I'll have a bad day, and that's it. The next day, I wake up ready to go. I'm very happy how far I come.
Always rain the most in April. Every scared needs to be stable. Earth keeps spinning around. We're breathing, so thankful. My life for you's habitual, yeah. Not for a moment, but forever.
Thank you so much for watching. If you like the video, please like and subscribe. I read all your comments. It means a lot to me when I see your words of encouragement, and I really appreciate it. So keep it coming. Thank you so much, and I'll see you next time. Ciao.
Love is habitual.